In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download folders from Dropbox. If you've got an entire project living in the cloud and you need it back on your computer, this quick walkthrough using Google Chrome will make the process simple and stress-free. Start by opening Dropbox in your browser and navigating to the folder you want to bring down. You'll see a small checkbox just to the left of the folder name. Click that checkbox to select the folder. This tells Dropbox exactly which folder you want to download, and it also unlocks the controls you need. Once the folder is selected, a blue action bar will appear across the top of the page. Look for the download option in that bar and click it. The moment you do, Dropbox begins preparing your folder for download by compressing everything into a single file. This is automatic, and it's designed to make large collections of files easier to move. You might see a brief preparing message as it bundles things up, especially if the folder contains a lot of files. Because you're downloading a whole folder, Dropbox delivers it as a .zip file. That's a standard archive format that keeps your files together during the transfer. In Google Chrome, you'll see the download progress appear in the browser's Downloads area. Depending on your Chrome version, this may show up as a panel in the top right corner or along the bottom. If the folder is large, give it a moment. You don't need to refresh or click anything else, and it's best not to close the tab until the download starts. When the download finishes, click the .zip file from Chrome's Downloads panel to open it. You'll be looking at the contents of the archive, which is basically a snapshot of your folder. Now extract the files so you can use them locally. On most systems, double-clicking the .zip will either open the archive or automatically unzip it into a regular folder. If your computer asks where to put the extracted files, choose a convenient spot like your desktop or the Documents folder so you can find them quickly. With the extraction complete, your project is now available on your computer. Open the newly created folder and work with your files just like any other local files, no internet required. If you want to keep a tidy workspace, you can archive or delete the original zip after confirming everything extracted correctly. And that's it. Folder selected, download started, archive opened, contents extracted, and your project synced back to your PC. You're all set.